What's going on, everyone? This is Phil from Brown Woods and Associates. Today we got a video for you that we are putting in a Bavarian blend Unilock patio in this backyard. I'm with my coworker Sam, and we are very excited how this turned out, and we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to start off with screeding the rock to make sure it's all level and we got the slope we need for the rain runoff. And then we will get into laying the chip, and then the patio will go down on the chip. We also did not record the dig that we had on the first day, so we just wanted to make sure you guys knew that we did spend our first day digging out the circle you see here, and then we also put in a little rock, but we still had to add more to get it to the right grade needed. Let's go ahead and get on with the video, and let us know what you think in the comments. Now we've gotten to the point just about where we've laid past our circle, our radius there as we're measuring out. We are going to mark the blocks that we got to cut, and then Sam is going to go ahead and make that cut to get us our nice circle, and then we'll fit some pieces in that are still needed afterwards, and you'll see that here coming up. Now we're getting into the edging around the circle, and that's what you'll see in this next part of the video here. We're finishing off the patio here with poly sand to give it that nice finish. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. The next video that will be coming out in this series will be the natural stone staircase that's going to lead up to the outdoor kitchen. It's going to be a very exciting project, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see the rest.